If your Mailchimp emails are landing in spam, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to improve deliverability and reduce the chances of your messages getting filtered into junk folders. This is really helpful if you're sending newsletters, promotions, or client updates, and you want your audience to actually see your emails. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Audience. This is where you manage your contacts and your list settings. Next, click the three dots near the Audience tools so you can open the additional options. From there, select Audience Settings. This takes you to the main settings area for your email list. Now scroll down until you find Email Opt-in Settings. This section is important because it controls how people join your list and helps keep your audience cleaner and more engaged. Click Edit and then choose Double Opt-in. Double opt-in means subscribers must confirm their email address before they're added to your list. That extra step helps reduce fake signups, improves list quality, and can help with email reputation over time. After selecting it, click Save Opt-in Setting to apply the change. Next, go back to Audience again. At this point, it's a good idea to review your older contacts, especially offline contacts or people who may not have engaged in a long time. Select the old offline contacts you want to remove. Then click the three dots, choose Delete and confirm the deletion. Cleaning out inactive or outdated contacts can help improve engagement rates and reduce the risk of your future emails being treated like spam. Now let's do one more very important step before you send a real campaign. Open your email draft and send yourself a test email first. In the email editor, click Send Test. This lets you preview how the email looks before it goes out to your full list. Confirm the send, then check the test message in your inbox to make sure everything looks correct, the links work, and nothing is breaking the formatting. Doing these steps consistently can make a big difference. Keep your list clean, use double opt-in, avoid sending to old inactive contacts, and always test your emails before sending them live. Those habits help build trust with inbox providers and improve your chances of landing in the primary inbox instead of spam. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.